Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Courtney Ryan, and today we're going to be discussing a highly requested video from all of you, attracting a woman versus keeping a woman. I actually mentioned this briefly in my Brutal Truths That Men Need to Know About Women video, but I saved all the juicy details for this one. First off, I want to clarify what I mean by attracting and keeping a woman. Attraction is important, there's no arguing that, but it's not going to sustain a relationship. On the other hand, keeping involves maintaining that connection, building a strong foundation, and nurturing a long-lasting relationship. So when I say the word keeping, I do not mean keeping her locked in a room. I do not mean keeping her on a leash. I mean nurturing a long-lasting relationship. So I just want to clarify by saying that right off the bat. Before we get into it, another crucial aspect of a relationship is intimacy. That's why I'm so excited that today's video is sponsored by Joy Mode. Whether you're happy or unhappy with your performance in the bedroom, why not perform even better? Intimacy is important and should be something that you feel good about in your relationship. And if I'm being honest, is an important part of keeping that flame alive. Joy Mode makes natural and science-backed sexual wellness products for men. Their sexual performance booster is like a pre-workout, but for intimacy. It contains clinically supported doses of key ingredients and was created with the best-in-class scientists and biochemistry PhDs. Joy Mode was created because they knew they could do better than the current products on the market. Prescriptions come with all sorts of side effects, and the over-the-counter gas station pills are sketchy and fraudulent, but lots of guys take both because they don't have a better option. So if you want to spice things up in the bedroom and boost your sexual performance and do it naturally without any nasty prescription drugs, we have a special offer down below for my audience. Go to usejoymode.com/Courtney Ryan or enter Courtney Ryan at checkout for 20% off of your first order. That's usejoymode.com/Courtney Ryan for 20% off of your first order. Thanks again, Joy Mode, for sponsoring today's video. So most of the content I see online and much of the content that I have made in the past is geared toward attraction. So I'm sure that you've heard these before, but let's just do a little refresh to make sure that we're on the same page. So the first thing is confidence. Displaying confidence is attractive to many women. I know that you've heard that so many times before. Basically, be comfortable with yourself, believe in your abilities, and showcase self-assurance without coming across as arrogant. That's the gist of that one. Another important key to attraction is taking care of your physical appearance by maintaining good hygiene, dressing well, and grooming yourself. This shows that you value yourself and take pride in your presentation. It matters whether you like it or not. Another important thing in terms of attraction is showing genuine interest in what she has to say, practicing active listening by maintaining eye contact, nodding, and responding thoughtfully. This demonstrates that you value her thoughts and opinions. Really just active listening here. I think body language matters a lot as well. I've done a few videos about body language specifically and just how important it is for initial attraction, first impressions, and things like that. So I'll link those for you if you need a little bit of help. This next one here, I know you've heard before, and that is a sense of humor. A good sense of humor can be incredibly sexy, making her laugh and creating a positive and enjoyable atmosphere when you're together. The way to a woman's heart is through making her laugh. As silly and as cliche as that sounds, it's true. And I already know that so many of you are going to say, no, Courtney, the way to a woman's heart is through your wallet. And while that might be true for a lot of women, I do think a sense of humor matters a lot as well. The next part of attraction is treating her with kindness and respect, showing empathy, being considerate of her feelings, and demonstrating good manners. Small gestures of kindness can make a big impact here. Be a gentleman, as I always say. Another is discovering common interests and engaging in activities together. This helps create a connection and provides opportunities for meaningful conversations and shared experiences. So I try not to elaborate too much on the attraction points here just because I have covered this extensively in past videos, and the reason being for that is because I know a lot of you are single, and I do think attraction is really important when you are single and just establishing that. But going along with that knowledge, it's kind of useless if you don't know how to sustain a long-term relationship if that is your ultimate goal. And it kind of reminds me of the saying that talent gets you into a room, but character keeps you there. There is far more to an individual than what is on the surface, and I think this is really important to keep in mind. Who you are to your core matters, especially when we're talking about cultivating a long-term, healthy relationship. And it's great to know those things about attraction, making good first impressions, and all of that, but I think it's equally as important, if not more, to know what I'm going to talk about in the rest of this video. Attracting a woman is just the beginning, so let's explore the essential elements of keeping a woman and being able to sustain a healthy long-term relationship. First and foremost, communication is key. It's important to create an environment where both of you feel comfortable expressing your thoughts, your feelings, and your needs. Active listening, empathy, and open dialogue play a crucial role in maintaining a deep connection. An example here that I can give is communicating your appreciation by expressing gratitude for the things that someone does for you and discussing any concerns or issues calmly and respectfully to find solutions together before it blows up into a bigger conflict than it needs to be. Communication is everything. The next is trust and respect. Building trust and respect is another vital aspect of keeping a woman. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. It's about being reliable, honoring your commitments, and being honest with each other. Respect goes hand in hand with trust, ensuring that both partners feel valued, heard, and appreciated. And I'm going to try to give examples for these. So an example here could be sharing important aspects of your life, being transparent about your feelings and your thoughts, and to demonstrate your trustworthiness through consistent actions. Be a man of integrity, make sure your words and your actions match. The next is quality time and shared interest. Spending quality time together and nurturing shared interests is also important in keeping that flame alive. Engaging in activities that you both enjoy is going to strengthen the bond between you and create lasting memories in the process. It's essential to keep the relationship fresh, exciting, and filled with moments of joy. This will obviously have ebbs and flows, of course, as time goes on, but I think it's really important to make time for each other. Never stop dating each other. So what are some examples here? Planning regular date nights, taking trips together. If both of you are sitting on the couch on your phones, not talking to each other, you are not actually spending time together. You are doing your own thing, and you are not having meaningful, engaging conversations that are contributing to the growth in your relationship. It's really important for the health of your relationship to make sure that you are still talking to each other, communicating, having fun. I think it's such an important part of a relationship. And while I mentioned that it's normal for your relationship to get a little bit routine and to feel very peaceful and stable, I think it's still important to make sure you're putting time, effort, and energy into each other and try new things together. The best advice I can give you is to really set aside time for each other and talk to each other, communicate, talk about your goals, try new things together, go out on fun date nights. You don't even have to spend a ton of money. You could go for a walk with your morning coffee together. You could go for a picnic. You could go sit by some body of water. You could work out together. I mean, there are so many things you can do to really make sure you're nourishing your relationship. If you would want a dedicated video for that, I can absolutely do that. So let me know if that's something you would want to see down in the comments. The next thing you need to know for maintaining a relationship is support and growth. Supporting each other's personal growth is crucial for a thriving relationship. Encouraging your partner's dreams, aspirations, and personal development creates a sense of security and fulfillment. Celebrating each other's achievements and being there through the ups and downs strengthens the emotional connection between the two of you. Some examples here are to express your admiration for her qualities. Never keep in a compliment. Actively listen to their opinions and perspectives and avoid belittling or dismissive behavior. Provide constructive feedback and criticism, of course, but also offer encouragement. I think it's really important in a relationship to have a healthy balance of constructive criticism as well as affirmations. An important takeaway that I want you guys to get from this video is that maintaining a healthy relationship, or keeping a woman as we've titled it, requires effort and commitment and genuine care. It is an ongoing journey of growth, understanding, and shared experiences. By focusing on effective communication, trust, respect, spending quality time, and supporting each other's growth, you can build a strong and lasting relationship. And again, by no means am I trying to undermine the importance of attraction and initial impressions and first impressions and things like that, because without those things, you often don't get to the point of even needing the rest of the info that I've presented in this video. But I think it's important to understand you can't just have big muscles and a great sense of style and expect that to contribute to the longevity of your relationship. While you should still be putting effort and time and energy into yourself and not getting complacent or letting yourself go altogether, you need to be nourishing the other important aspects of a relationship as well if you want it to be sustainable long term. So guys, that is all I have for this video. If you liked it or found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be in the loop for when I release new content. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Would love to hear your experience, opinion, perspectives down below. If you haven't already, be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Courtney Christine Ryan. I love connecting with all of you guys over on there as well. As always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.